So in today's video, we're going to be making the first ever candy cane Scion FRS. Basically, I'm just gonna put a bunch of white stripes on it and I'll be demonstrating and showing how to do it. And I'll show the result after. I think Christmas is like a fun time of the year. So I'll be making a candy cane FRS, first in the world. So obviously the first thing you need to wrap a car is wrap. So luckily this is just one of my rolls. I have two other rolls of this white. And so what I'm gonna be doing is that I need to cut the lines straight and perfect. So I'm probably going to masking tape the sides, and then with an X-Acto knife, between these, I'm just gonna go straight in the line between these, just like that, with an X-Acto knife, so I can get perfect straight lines. Since it's only gonna be temporary, it doesn't have like the most perfect thing. But since I am wanting to make it look decently good, I'm gonna try and make the lines as straight as possible. So just like that, this is how we're doing it. Just masking tape the sides. It's definitely gonna be fun. So once you're ready, once it's both masked on the sides, you got your X-Acto knife. What we're gonna do with your X-Acto knife is find these current lines, just like this. It's one line done. Woo! And that is one perfectly straight line done. First of all, you're gonna have all your wrap ready, and the few ingredients you're gonna need is probably a heat gun. Be helpful. Of course, my wrap is all prepped. And then the other thing is you're gonna wanna make sure that your car is dry, because if it is not dry, the wrap will probably just peel off. I'm going to wanna make sure that it's fully dry. You don't wanna miss anything, because if not, then the wrap will not stick properly and it will just peel off. Your first piece, you want to set out where you're wanting it. So I'm probably, okay, so probably like that. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to cut it to how long it is, because you don't want any extra, of course. So this is the easiest way and the quickest way to do it without any bubbles almost. Now take your time, do this back and forth, and it becomes extremely easy. So you cut these perfectly where the doors are, where any other substances are that you need to cut your angles at. And then when you cut it, you're gonna push it in with basically anything. You can use your credit card or debit card or license or anything to do it with. Just need something flat. Do this. There you go. So then the door opens properly. Look at that. Oh yeah. Looking good. And now the lines and stripes of the candy cane are officially done on the hood. I think the hood looks so cool now. So the whole car is now done. So the sides are just the most important. The hood, and then a little bit of the front bumper. So yeah, that's the first ever candy cane FRS in the world. This was just kind of a fun video, a little bit of a tutorial, but mainly just a fun video. And if you guys like this kind of videos, it's just pretty much just a vlog, a little bit of a making, how to make this cool car, first ever car. So yeah, I just kind of enjoyed it. I'm doing this for fun. And yeah, so if you guys like this kind of content, Like and subscribe, be much appreciated. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.